Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. This inline four-cylinder naked super bike just arrived with only 6,385 miles, ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got brand new tires and a super cool color scheme. Look at that lime green frame and wheels with the black and white. This bike is only $69.99. That's a hell of a lot of motorcycle for the money. Come on by. Make your super bike dreams come true. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.